Hello and welcome to White Glove Reviews. In this video, we're taking a look at another Lego Polybag, and in this case, it's Polybag 30571, and this is the creator Pelican. And I always find these creature ones kind of interesting. You know, sometimes they don't really look much like the creature, and sometimes it's pretty good. Anyway, while I'm getting this bag open, if you enjoy this kind of video with the Lego Polybags, please think about subscribing and turning on notifications, because I plan on doing one of these videos one a day for the foreseeable future. And also, I have in the description links for Amazon and Bricklink and Brickset if you want information about this particular polybag, or if you want to pick it up so you can build along with it. And there is also a link. Okay, that's cool. Check that out. You can get instructions to build the other ones, I'm assuming online. Oh, there's also a link to a Google Docs spreadsheet that has information about upcoming polybag build-alongs, as well as ones that have already been done, and links to them. Alright, so let's put this thing together. These, I'm assuming, are going to be legs at some point in the near future. So, leg number one. You know, that's a little unusual that they're putting the rounded pieces on the inside. I guess maybe to give better, different options later on. I would have kind of thought they would have used one of the square 1x1s. Alright. So, alright. I got that. And then here and here, like so. And so we're going to have to do the joints for the wings, I'm guessing. I'm guessing these are going to be wing joints. So this goes there. And we need two of these. So this snaps in there and goes right here. And we got the joint and the 1x1. So we'll snap this one. Oops. So we snap this in here, like so. And this gives us our second. It looks like it's going to be the wing. So that takes care of that. And then this is going to, I'm assuming, be the tail, I guess. It's kind of weird. Alright, so if this clips right here like this, that takes care of that. And so this one, okay, that's kind of cool. So this one was going to clip on right here, and that gives you kind of like the back of your Pelican. That's sort of cool. And then we put this on the front, like so. And then slide my pile of bricks over. We got to make some legs. We'll refold all this, make it neat and tidy. So this can sit over here for a minute, and we can make our legs. I guess they're legs. This and a clip goes right here, like so. And then one of these orange 1x1s. Did that one right? Might as well do them both while I'm at it, since they're kind of just the same, only a little reversed. So this one, I'll go here, like this. I can get it to clip on, like so. I think I kind of like these little creator sets. I feel like they're sort of put together with a little extra flexibility involved. I don't know. Maybe need to try. Alright, so the 2x2, or the 1x2, and a 1x2, and then we need the 1x2 cheese wedges facing in the correct direction. So one goes here, and then we got the other one goes here, like, oops, goes this way like so. Alright, and then we clip them to the bottom like that. Alright, clip and clip. Alright, so this is the start of our Pelican, and that looks about right. Now, I'm assuming we gotta put together some wings, which look way easier than I was thinking they were gonna look. Alright, so 2 of these and 2 wings, and that's pretty much it. Alright, so this one and the wing, and then this one, and oh wait, make sure it's going right. This one and the wing. That was so not going to be right. And then clip and clip. Now we got that. And now it looks like we got to put together the head. Now it is very difficult not to make like one of those Voltron and I'll form the head references, which I guess I did kind of fail to make just then. Oh, this goes. We need this right here first, and then this goes on, and then one of these white little, I guess it's a claw, maybe is what it is. I don't know. I think it's a claw. So we get the claw, and then we got some eyes for our Pelican. That's one eye, and another eye. I feel like my Pelican's gonna be like a crazy eye Pelican. Alright. There's the 2 eyes. And that goes on top. Right here. Like so. That is creepy looking right now. Alright. So next, we got this. We got this. We put 2 of these white 1x3s on the bottom. And then we flip it over and put this on the front like so. And then these go on. And I'll tell you what strikes me as weird with a lot of these little polybag sets. They all seem bigger. They all seem like bigger than they should be. Alright, so this Goes on the front like so. So we're starting to get a pelican going. And then we gotta do the lid for our pelican, or the upper beak. I guess maybe not a lid. There, and there, and there. And then top part of this, like so. Now it's kind of, I don't know. I kind of like I'm kind of developing a liking for the animals, and I'm kind of sort of on the fence still. It's hard to say. Alright, so this clips in like so. And that was brutal. And the head pops off. Alright, so head popped off. That's kind of grim for our pelican. Let's try again. We'll give him a head. So, alright. Aside from weirdly off-centeredness of it, let's fix his jaw. Alright. Okay, that kind of looks like a pelican. Maybe. Except, it doesn't really stand up. Maybe if we put the wings back. Okay, that answers my question. You gotta sort of change the center of gravity a little bit. So we put his wings back. Put his wings back more. Actually, his wings back much more. Like it is on the picture. His wings back. So his wings are back pretty good there. And he stands up a little better. But it's only okay. Alright, so next we gotta have the thing he stands on. So looks like we stick these together, and this goes on here, and then here, and here. I feel like that shouldn't be hanging over right there, but who knows? I don't have any idea what these are for. Maybe just random decorations? I kind of think some of these pieces are included to give you options with your future builds. Like the fish and stuff. Well, not the fish. The fish probably is just for this. But so we got those. And we got these pieces. Like so. And like so. And so we got like a little base here. And Pelican can stand on the base. And I guess, theoretically, we should be able to put a fish in his mouth and see if he doesn't fall off. Although I have my doubts about him not falling off. Okay. So he didn't fall off. So, there you go. It's an okay looking pelican. Not terrible. I'm thinking, oh, these are our extra pieces. I think I'm going to have to put together some more of these little animal ones to see what I think. What do y'all think? What do y'all think of little Lego animals? Do you like them? Do you not like them? You're kind of on the fence? Anyway, let me know what you think in the comments. And if you've enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. And I hope y'all have an excellent day.